วงศ์ ฉานุสัน Welcome to the phonetic video. I will to say sound in English about F and V sound. Watch my mouth. F sound F, F. V sound V, V. A consonant is any letter in the alphabet that is not a vowel. Fricative are consonants that are formed by stopping the airflow somewhere in the vocal tract and then forcing the air to produce a friction sound with the F sound and V sound. The air is stopped by pushing the bottom lip and top teeth together. The air is then pushed to create the sound. The wireless F sound is produced by stopping and releasing air. Pronunciation tips: do not curse your lip too far under your top teeth to make this sound. This is a common error many language students make. This makes it difficult to connect the F sound to other sound in a word between the bottom lip and the front side of the top teeth. The white V sound is produced in almost the same way as the F sound. Hold your lips and teeth in the same position. The V sound is different because it's voice, meaning you produce a sound with your vocal cords. It can be found in English words. The only difference between these two sounds is that the F sound is a wireless sound and V sound is a voice sound. Watch this example video from me and sweet person you to hear and see two difference between the F sound and V sound. Fear, fast, face, wear, west, waist. Where you come from?
Switzerland.
Okay.
Fear, fat, face, wear, wet, waist.
Thank you for your attention. Bye.